everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is NK. Today I'm doing another day in the life, nothing new here. I just want to start off by saying that today I feel just so much better than I did yesterday. I've been just having a hard time being fully rested and my sleep has been off, and I've been pushing myself very hard, just like socially, physically, and I needed to take a break and to rejuvenate myself. Last night I got a lot of really good sleep. I slept for about 8 hours, but I think I said this in another vlog, but I have my Whoop band, so it tracks my recovery. So although I get 8-9 hours, if the recovery is not good, it's going to show that, because just because you sleep for multiple hours doesn't mean that you're actually getting good sleep. Long story short, last night I got really good sleep, like almost a 100% recovery, which is really, really good. And I just woke up feeling energized and ready to take on the day, do emails and things like that. I made myself a coffee, so it's over there. My order is an iced decaf vanilla latte. It's what I would order when I go to a cafe. I'm really happy that I bought a coffee maker recently, like in the last 2 months, so that I can save a little bit more money in that department. As we know, coffee, to go out and get coffee it adds up. Like, it adds up a lot, so I'm trying to save money in that regard. But I finally figured out how to make coffee just the way that the cafe does, so I'm not missing out on anything there. Today I have a bunch of things that I have to do, but I am slowly gonna get it done. I feel super motivated, especially because yesterday I literally spent the whole day just relaxing, much needed, just recharge and repower myself, because the only way to like really be efficient with me is to just take a step back. So I wasn't really on my phone. I rested, I just fueled myself. So I feel great today for the day. A lot of emails that I am going through currently. I am listening to a podcast. I think I said that in one of my first day in the lives, where I love listening to podcasts in the morning and actually throughout the day. It's just nice to like get that inspiration while I'm grinding and working. What else? I wrote my to-do list. My to-do list for the week. My to-do list for the week. Looking forward to getting all this stuff done. I love writing in this. I mentioned this in another video, but I love my planner, and I got to get it engraved or personalized, I guess, and it has my name on it. But yeah, this is, I love a visual planner of just like writing things down. I'm a pen and paper girl. I'm listening to a podcast. I have been loving switching over from my boom speaker to my Roku TV to listen to podcasts. It's crazy because all this time when I've had my Roku TV for almost a year now, I don't know why I never thought about just adding the Spotify app and listening to it here, because it actually is way louder. Yes, the speaker is loud, but this is way louder, and it's like surround sound because it's up high, which is great. Anyways, so listening to Note to Self, and it is definitely one of my favorite podcasts to listen to. I like to rotate my podcasts, but I absolutely love it. Peyton's amazing, and I just really relate to her. We are also the same age, so I just feel like her life experiences mirror, or my life experience mirror hers, and vice versa. And I gain a lot of inspiration, and it's awesome. So that's what I'm listening to. I got a few new things actually from Jing, and I'm excited to put them in new videos and new Instagram posts. So I'll just show a few things. So I got this white dress, which I'm excited to wear under a leather jacket. I got this. I think it's called Houndstooth. This is a sweater vest, and it's really warm and cozy. I can't wait to wear it. I got this really basic knit, long sleeve shirt right here. You know me, I love a good long sleeve, so I needed to get that. And then I got this black dress, and it comes a little bit above the knee, and it actually has shoulder pads. I didn't know, but they're not like really intense shoulder pads. They're just, you know, the average, I guess, shoulder pad. So I'm excited to wear those, see how they're styled. It's like all of my fall, autumn, and pretty much winter clothing as well. I have a lot of stuff in here in my big main closet. Like there's so much in here. It goes pretty far back, and there are a bunch of shoes, but I like having these ones here, especially because honestly I just needed more space. But there's a lot of cute clothes that I can't wait to wear just like in the coming weeks and months. My room's kind of, well, it is a little messy, but it's fine. I decided to put my hat over here, just I guess for the time being. It actually looks really cute up there. It was right here, and I had those command strip hooks, but they fell off and I didn't have another sticker. So we're just gonna keep it here for now, but it actually looks really cute there. I have Whole Foods returns over here that I will be doing today. My iced coffee, like I was saying earlier. Just gonna be grinding with work for the rest of the day. I am creating more YouTube videos. I have Pinterest stuff to do. I have blog stuff to do. I have Instagram stuff to do. I have a lot of stuff to do, but taking it one day at a time. And then I mentioned this yesterday, but I'm truly obsessed with this candle. I love that it's a 3-wick candle. I think it just adds something, but it's burning, it smells great. And this is really cute. I think I'm gonna keep this container when it's done, but it smells great. Let us get through our day. This is my outfit for today. I am a big chill, casual girl when it comes to just being in the apartment. I got this from Nasty Gal. It's Active Society. Now I have like 3 of these in different colors. I love that it's oversized. I actually did want it a little smaller, but I really do love it, and it's really, really warm. These biker shorts are from Lululemon. They're blue. I really like them as well. They fit really nice. They're the Aligns, so in case anyone is wondering. Then, you know, gotta be festive. I have some Christmas socks on. I'm a big fuzzy sock girl as well. Feeling good. I'm wishing everybody happiness. I'm wishing everybody good vibes. Conquer the day. Have a good day, everyone.